sleepy leg, not to be confused with the stanky leg. All right, so we're going to start with our feet shoulder width apart. You're going to take your hip and rotate it in and then drop. In and drop. In and drop. Now you'll notice if you squeeze your obliques, it's going to help you to lift your hip even more. All right, let's try it on the other side. This time, let's place our hands on our hips and rotate. In and drop. In and drop. In and drop. In and drop. This is the motion that you're going to be using while we travel. So we're going to take off this way, but this time we'll go slow and we'll do it for 4. Let's do it together. Are you ready? And lift, drop. Lift, drop. Remember, squeeze those obliques. Other way. And squeeze. All right. I think you got it. So now let's take it up to tempo and go 8 each way. 5, 6. Get ready. To go. And other way. Again. Last time. Great job on your sleepy leg.
Let's try that again. Relax your feet.
Alright, now we're going to add a beautiful arm variation to the sleepy leg step. And what I want you to think when you're doing this arm variation is, I'm a little teapot. Do you remember that song?
Yeah.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. That's exactly what you're going to be thinking. Now, you remember your Cumbia sleepy leg step. If you need to go back and reference it again, go ahead, feel free. But we're going to go ahead and get started with adding the arms. I'm going to scoot over here so we have plenty of space to travel. Okay, so here we go. I'm a little teapot. Here is my handle, here is my spout. Let's use those same legs that we just learned a few minutes ago. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, what are we thinking when we're dancing Cumbia? Smooth. So it's like you're gliding across the floor. Floating even. What beautiful teapots you are.
Beat rhythmic directional variation.
Now we're going to do a rhythmic variation. Now you felt this when you did my first class. We actually did the steps in one of the choreo. And you felt the rhythmic change. The same thing we're going to do now. The first 4 counts we're going to move slow. And the second 4 counts we're going to move fast. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, guys are professionals on the travel now. The
Oh,
sweeping
yeah.
leg,
That's
nailed. So we're going to add a directional
Turn
variation
forward.
on each end. This time we're going to turn to the inside. All right? So I'm going to turn around so that you can see clearly which direction I'm turning. We're going to go to tempo because I know you already know the steps. Let's travel for 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, did you recognize that turn? That is our Cumbia 2-step. It is the same exact step. We're just putting it on the end as a directional variation. Let's do it again. I want to do it together with you. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Here we
we'll
go.
try.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
8.
and turn. All right.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Turn it.
7, 8.
You're amazing. With this fitness variation, we're really going to accentuate our obliques, really engage them to make sure you feel it. And with the up and down, we're actually going to be using a lot of our quads as well. So let's get started. We're going to stay in place for 4 counts and then travel for 4. So let's break it down nice and slow. 6, 2, 3, 4, and travel. 2, 3, 4. Other way. Really squeeze, engage those obliques, and travel. 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do the same thing. And now, let's do it to tempo. Are you ready?
Yes.
Remember, what are we thinking when we're dancing cumbia?
Smooth.
All right. So here,
Not so smooth, baby.
10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2,
Travel.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
And travel. Did you feel that in your obliques? I sure did. Let's take it to the next step.
Sugarcane machete.
All right, let's take it to machete, which in English means machete. This movement actually comes from the slaves who were cutting sugarcane in the fields. All right, I'm going to turn around so you can follow me as easily as possible. The foot that is moving, in this case, this one, is going to move on a half moon shape. So we step forward, middle, back, middle, forward, middle, back, middle. Now what I want you to do in the front is take it down to a nice deep squat, but only in the front. Why are we going down into a squat? Because that's where we're actually cutting the sugar. All right? Let's place our hands on our hips and go a little bit faster. Are you ready? Here we go. And down, middle, back, down, back, down, back, down, and back. Got it? Let's try the same thing on the other side. So this foot is moving, let's step it forward. Forward, middle, back, middle. Forward, middle, back, middle. Okay, in the front, we need to make sure we're cutting that sugar cane nice and low. You got that? All right. Let's take it to 10. 5, 6, 7, and down. So let's take it up and go to tempo. Starting with this leg. Ready? Down, middle, back. Down, middle, back. Down, back. Down, and back. Wonderful. Same thing on the other side. Ready? Let's go. And master the machete.
Let's try that again. Machete sugar cane. Imagine we're throwing a little seed on the floor. Now let's try it on the other foot. When turning, use the ball of your foot. And release.
All right, now we're gonna add arms to the machete step. Now it's up to you how you would like to do it. If you would like your hand to actually be the blade of the machete, or if you want to grab onto the handle. Either way is absolutely fine. Just be careful, watch out for your neighbor. All right, so get your hand up and ready. Now let's take it half tempo and cut. Circle, way, circle, cut. Circle, way, circle. Let's do it one more time. Last one. Now, let's take it to tempo. Great job.
Beat with me.
Now let's go into the machete with a travel. So I'm going to turn around so you can follow me as easily as possible.
Triple step.
We're going to start with the machete step. All right, nice and slow. Are you ready? We go down, circle, away, circle, and down. From here, okay, we're going to skip the back step and use that moment to prepare to travel. Get to the other side and go. Down, circle, away, circle, and down. Prepare. Travel. Again, slow. Down. How you doing? You want to try it at tempo with me? Sure. I know you can do it. Let's get ready. Now, let's do it together.
fitness athletic variation.
This is where we really get to get our heart pumping with cumbia. We're gonna do machete and add a triple step to get that heart rate up. You gotta turn around, please. Nice and slow. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift 6, 7, and 8. Prepare for the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Now, where most people get confused is on the triple step. Remember, it's just 7 and 8. Are you ready? Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Prepare.
7, 8. 1.
Now, let's try it facing each other. So, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Prepare.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Did you feel the fitness in that one? I sure did. I'll be right back, and I'll see you on the next step.
Okay, thank you.